Hello and welcome to Reviewing with Crofts. Today we're in Grimsby viewing 8 Wall Street, that's number 8 Wall Street. And as you can see, it's a really quiet cul-de-sac here. So let me take you into this lovely property. Now straight into a little porchway here. You've got the stairs straight ahead, so I'm going to turn to the right and welcoming you into the living room. A lovely bright living room. Stand over into the corner there, showing you a good sized bay to the front of the property. And then into the kitchen space. With plenty of storage there. Now this would be a great first time buy or an investment. You've got understair storage there. And then wandering over to a lean-to, which offers a toilet in the corner there. Let me open it up for you. Okay, and then if you can peer out of the window, you've got a low maintenance garden there. A little bit of a blank canvas there. Side entrance. Or exit should I say, and then back into the kitchen. So let me take you upstairs now. So to the top of the stairs, and right at the very top you have your bathroom here. And then off the landing you have the 3 doors giving you 3 good sized bedrooms into the first one. A good sized double. Into the second. Once again, a good double. And the smaller bedroom, still ample room, should I say, for a single bed or bunk beds. Nice size office, depending on how you live. So if you could see yourself living in here or would like this as a project, a first time buy or an investment, please call Crofts on 01472 200 666 and we'll gladly arrange a viewing of this wonderful property. Thank you.